Take 3. This is take 3. Hopefully we can finish this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy and I'm back for another video. And yes, I'm back for another unboxing video for you guys. Yes, it's been a while since I did an unboxing video. I pre-filmed my bag videos way back in December, and then I left for Hawaii. I was there for 3 weeks, and then when I came back, I was like rearranging my bag bowl, rearranging the living room, and decluttering. So I didn't really film videos. I was just editing the vlogs from Hawaii and uploading that. And then I'm not really browsing at Coach or Macy's website. But then when I went to Facebook group, there was a post there that there was a big dump of retail bags at the Coach outlet on their reserve section. They were talking about this particular bag, so I purchased it. It was 60% off at the time. But yes, I am back for another unboxing video. And also I did shop at Amazon for some accessories, and I'll show that to you. And also I got an iWatch band from Coach outlet website as well. So if you want to see what's inside this box and what accessories I got from Amazon, please keep on watching. But before we start, welcome, I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Let's start with the iWatch band. So I saw this one. I was like browsing at the Coach outlet website, and then I saw the iWatch band, and here it is. It is the leather in saddle color. My iWatch, the series 3. I have been using the iWatch band, the original one, the soft pink, already looking dirty, so I said it's time for me to get another iWatch band. So here it is. I like it. It fits perfectly. I think this is the size 41. It fits perfectly, and my iWatch is in the rose gold color, and the band is in saddle with gunmetal hardware, and the color blends in together perfectly. Loving this one. I didn't really do the unwrapping or unboxing for you guys. As soon as I received this, I open it right away and use it just to see if I would like it. If not, I will just have to return it. So here it is. It's my iWatch band. At the time when I was purchasing, there's an available color for gray and black. The black one was 50% off, and then the gray was, I think, 70% off, but I missed that part. I didn't really click the button to purchase it, then it was gone. So maybe next time, if another iWatch band showed up at the Coach outlet, then probably I'll buy another one. Okay, so for our Amazon purchase, I got 3 items. These are the packaging that it came with. Let's start with this one. This is their earrings. This is from the brand Slow. How do you pronounce that? I don't know how to pronounce that. But I ordered here earrings. It came with 3 earrings, and it's individually wrapped. The other one I'm currently using, it says they're gold plated, but I'm not 100% sure if it's gold plated. And the other 2 looks like this earring. It's cute. And then another one is, it looks like a safety pin earring. I haven't tried this safety pin earrings because I'm trying to apply it on my ear, and it's a little difficult. Like, the way you open it is like this, and then I don't know how to apply it to my ears. I have to figure it out. But yeah, when I was trying to put it, it's a little difficult for me. So we'll see about that. Maybe on my next video I can wear this and share how I use that. I mean, how I put it on my ears. And then I ordered a bracelet from them. It comes in this packaging. It comes in a box with a thank you card, thank you note there. So this is what it looks like. This comes together when you order it. I'll do a close-up. I like the part when, like, I've seen videos from YouTube that when they wear bracelet, it has like the dangling thingy. So I kind of like that. That's why I ordered this. And I think this style is a current trend jewelry or accessory style. And then lastly is this one I'm wearing. What I'm wearing right now, it's a necklace. It's a layered choker necklace. This part is the same pattern as the bracelet that I'm wearing. So this pendant gold like coin necklace, it has the heart, and then on the other side is your initials. I got the letter T, but then I wear it the other way, so I don't want to remove it and change it again, so we'll keep the heart like that. I like it. It says gold plated, but I have some gold plated jewelries. It doesn't look gold to me. It looks like in between gold and rose gold. Same thing with the bracelet. It doesn't look like gold to me. It's more of like a rose gold the color. Unlike the earrings, it's more of a gold color. And yes, that's it for our Amazon purchase on their accessory department. Now let's proceed to the main part, the unboxing video. Yes, I've seen like people talking about this bag. It's like this looks nice, and they like the design. So I did think about it. Do I need another bag or no? Should I get it? It was 60% off at the time. I'm waiting for it to go higher. Discount rate like 70% off, but probably it would not happen. So before it sold out, I purchased it. So here is the bag. Let's see if it's factory wrapped or... Ooh! Here it is! Here it is. It's a good size. It looks like a good size, and it looks like brand new from the factory. Look at that! Look at that! I am excited. Oh, here it is. I can't remember the name. Let's unwrap it. Wow, I am surprised. It's wrapped like brand new from the factory. Aren't you excited to receive a bag like this? And hopefully no scratches or dents. Sometimes it's like fully wrapped, but then you see like dents and scratches on the bag. So hopefully this is in good condition. Ooh, look at that. This is nice. I'll just remove all the wrappings and I'll be right back. Here it is. Here is the bag. Look at that. This is the Hutton top handle in Colorblock. I was expecting this will be a little like smaller, but it's not. I'm surprised. This is a really good looking bag. It's more like masculine color. This is in the color Taupe multi, so I'm thinking this is saddle, and this part is a taupe in pewter hardware. It's nice. It has a top handle, and then it comes with two straps, a chain strap for a longer shoulder bag, and also a leather shoulder strap. Let's do a 360 look on this bag. So this is the front. It has that Turnlock closure. Look at that, that horse carriage Turnlock closure, and open it like so. This is the side. Ooh, saddle color. It comes with a hang tag. There you go. And at the back, looks like this with a slip pocket. And that's the side. That's the bottom. It has no feet. Let's look inside the bag. Look at that. The inside is microfiber. Yeah, I believe this is microfiber. And oh, look at the detail where you will put the shoulder strap. It's in here. I was thinking it will be placed here, but it's not. It's on the flap. So this one has a gusset. It has that slip pocket at the front, the main compartment, and a zipper pocket at the back where the Coach grid is. Oh, this is pretty. I did an unboxing video months ago about the Hutton. It is a shoulder bag, crossbody with weaving. I ended up returning the bag because the flap of the bag was so stiff compared to this one. This is less stiff than the weaving, and this one is much bigger than the shoulder bag. I like this one because it comes with a top handle. On the website, when I purchased this looks more like orangey, like bright color, but on the video it seems like on the viewfinder right now it seems like a dull color, but in person it's like a neutral taupe color. That's it. I don't see like the very significant burnished side, unlike on the picture on the website. It looks like stunning, like bright in color. This is more like muted color. That's it for our unboxing video for today. This is the Hutton crossbody bag in the color taupe with pewter hardware. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!